Welcome to Micro Safari Facts, the hidden wildlife all around us. Did you know that sharks have this amazing chainmail? It's tougher than steel, lighter than titanium, and way more flexible than Kevlar. Cool, right? I am going to start today's video with this amazing underwater footage of a great white shark swimming past the camera. That was so cool, right? If you didn't think it was, you are seriously mistaken because there is one incredible thing about this footage that you probably didn't even notice. First though, we need to look at some macro footage of a great white shark under the scanning electron microscope. What you are looking at are the shark's dermal denticles, or tiny tooth-like scales covering its skin. They are arranged in a regular repeating pattern like chain links in chainmail armor. And just like chainmail, the interwoven structure of these scales provides protection from cuts and scrapes. But how does it compare to other man-made materials? Well, believe it or not, it is tougher than steel. You can slash steel, but you can't do that to a shark. Steel is also heavier than a shark. If you dive into the ocean with a massive steel bucket weighing 500 pounds, you will sink like a rock. Meanwhile, a shark with its lightweight yet sturdy scales can effortlessly glide through the water. This is thanks to their extremely low drag coefficient. The scales reduce friction by channeling the water around them, giving them an incredibly smooth hydrodynamic profile. And their flexible armor plates allow them to bend and twist without breaking. In contrast, if you try to bend a steel bucket, it will snap in your hands. So next time you see a shark, remember its scales are much more advanced than steel. Okay, now let's take a closer look at a single scale. Each one has microscopic grooves called micro rib grooves. These grooves form a tiny labyrinth on the skin surface, forcing any microorganism trying to cross it to make many sharp turns. This makes it almost impossible for bacteria to swim through. In other words, shark scales are like the ultimate antibacterial shield. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear this. Scientists have actually used 3D printing technology to recreate these micro rib grooves in a synthetic material. And guess what? It worked like magic. When they tested it out in the lab, it turned out that the synthetic material reduced bacterial adhesion by 97%. Now that's some serious next-level tech right there. But wait, there's more. Sharks also have a special trick up their sleeves to keep themselves clean. They basically have built-in wipers that remove algae and other gunk off their skin. These wipers are actually modified scales with long trailing edges that sweep back and forth in the opposite direction of the water flow. They help keep the shark's skin super smooth, which helps them swim faster and reduces drag. It's like having a built-in car wash for maximum efficiency. In a previous video, I talked about biomimicry, which is when humans copy nature to solve problems. For example, a new generation of swimsuits for the Olympics were designed to mimic the texture of a shark's skin. They are made of plastic with tiny grooves similar to those found on a shark's scales. These grooves help reduce drag in the water, allowing swimmers to glide through the pool faster. Some swimmers who wore the shark-inspired suits shaved off several seconds from their best times. And in a sport where every hundredth of a second counts, that's a big deal. Sharks truly are nature's ultimate design masters. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the water, from their flexible chainmail skin to their sleek swimming abilities. We humans have a lot to learn from these amazing creatures. So next time you hear someone say sharks don't have anything good going for them, just shake your head and smile. You know better. Sharks are awesome. So I'll ask you, which fact surprised you the most? Comment below. Also, before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon for more videos like this. Now leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And if you really liked it, then why not share it with a friend? Thanks for watching. Tap the bell so you'll know when I drop new videos.